Hey everyone, and thanks for logging back on to my YouTube channel. This is Freddie King's Home Decor, and today's video is actually a collaboration with a company named ASOKO. ASOKO. ASOKO is a leading company in the area of LED lights. They sent me one of their products in order to do a product review, product demonstration, and I'm just gonna jump right in. So the item that they sent me, and I've opened the end of it, but it's an LED motion censored light. This is a 3-color light, so that's awesome. I'm going to go ahead and open it to let you see how it arrived. But response time was quick and fast. Customer service is excellent. In the box, it has the product card that just shows you how to operate it if you need it, but it's very self-explanatory. It came with the handy dandy USB cable, USB-C cable, and that's what I really want to point out about this product. It is chargeable via USB-C. And so the light itself was well packaged here. Let me open this up so I can further show you. It still has the plastic on the front to protect it. Let me turn it around. But this is the on-off button. This is the 3-color button to change the colors, and this is the motion sensor. Let me just point out real quick that on the back, you can mount it via the 3M sticky tape, or you can slide these clips off. Let me slide the clips off and show you. And you'll be able to see that you can mount it here with the screw. One good thing about it is once you mount it via these brackets, it allows you to slide the light out with the bracket stand intact in order to charge it with your handy dandy USB. Now, this already arrived charged up, so I didn't have to do that, but it still does have the protective sleeve on it. This is the motion sensor. This is the on-off button. And here you can see it has the 3 colors. I'm showing you the 3 colors. Now, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to mount mine right here. This candle will not be on later when it's late evening. I'm going to mount it right here. I don't have a light here, so it will create a very nice soft glow in the evening time. I'm gonna show you how that worked out. And then I'm gonna show you how this light is more than just for under cabinet. You can put this literally everywhere, anywhere. I also placed it on my steps. It worked awesome. This is a great way to prevent trips, slips, and falls when you do not have your regular light on. I'm gonna show you how that worked out for me as well. And with that, let's get into this product demonstration. So I've turned all the lights out in my house. I am standing about 15 paces away, and as I move towards the Breakfast Nook coffee bar station, as you can see, it detected a motion and the light came on. One thing I forgot to mention, but this is definitely a key feature of this light, is each color is dimmable. Dimmable from 10 to 100%. So that is a great feature to have if you want to adjust your lighting even more. So now I'm going to transition and move this light to a different location in the house. I'm going to put it on the stairs. For those of you who have watched my channel before, you know I always talk about items of multi-use, multi-purpose, and this ASOKO LED light, it is definitely one you want to buy. Look at that. Once I got within range, the motion was detected, the light came on. All of the information pertaining to this product will be in the description box of this video, so make sure you look there for that information. I'm sure you will find that this product will be very useful in helping you with your lighting and creating your unique designs within your home. I hope you enjoyed these 2 demonstrations where I showed you how the product works when mounted under the cabinet. You can also put them in bathrooms, you can put them in closets. I chose to put mine on the steps as well. As I've always said in my videos, home decor designs and tips is all about how you bring a color palette together, ceiling to floor, floor to ceiling, and make sure you include your lighting. It creates a very cozy, comfortable space. This is Freddie King's Home Decor, and this was not only a product review or product demonstration for me, it was a testimony because I too went out and purchased more of these lights to complete my steps. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.